Hi, I'm Natalia Willette. I'm an attorney in real estate law here in the state of Florida, and today I want to talk to you about 3 ways in which city and county liens can impact your investment. So there's 3 things you have to think about or 3 different types of investments that might be impacted by city and county liens. Number 1, tax deeds. How are tax deeds impacted by city and county liens? Well, tax deeds are generally considered paramount brand new title from the state of Florida, which is great, except that 197552 of the Florida statute says that city, county, governmental liens survive the issuance of the tax deed. And so unless this was considered a constitutionally protected homestead, in a lot of cases, those liens will be able to attach to the property, and you might be surprised with a significant sum of money that attaches to the property that you just purchased. Number 2, liens at foreclosure. So under the Florida statutes, liens for mowing, for demolition, things like that are generally considered standard liens. That means if they were recorded after a purchase money mortgage, they are inferior to that purchase money mortgage, and they can be foreclosed out in a purchase money mortgage foreclosure. Or they can be foreclosed out in a homeowners association foreclosure if they were recorded after the homeowners association's lien. The issue becomes that even though they are named in the foreclosure, named in the final judgment of foreclosure, and are declared to be foreclosed out, a lot of those cities and counties like to pretend that that is not the case. And so they will hit you up with a bill, and you will have to fight them, sometimes in court, to get them to go away and to issue something that's stating that you do not owe them any money for their prior liens that were wiped out in the foreclosure. And then number 3, you have to take into consideration unrecorded liens and their impact. And what is an unrecorded lien from a county or a city? Well, let's say you purchase a property and then the title company orders a lien search, a municipal lien search, and bam, it comes back stating that there are fines due for mowing, fines due for zoning or code violations, like you have a bunch of cars in the property, but this was from a while back and they never perfected it or recorded a lien, and so they're still claiming that this amount must be paid before you're allowed to close. And guess what? That underwriter for that title company is going to demand payment or release before they allow you to close on your transaction. So what do you do in that case? Well, you have to think about what type of lien it is. If it is a lien for taxes or special assessments, you have to pay it. There's superiority in the statutes. They don't have to be recorded. That's chapter 173 of the Florida statutes. If, however, it is, like I said, a lien for repairs, fines for repairs, fines for demolition, things like that, but they did not bring it down to recording, so that when you purchase the property that wasn't a lien thereon, you can challenge it. And I recommend that you do take the time to challenge that in court rather than pay tens of thousands of dollars in unrecorded fines and penalties.